Imagine walking down a bustling street and a charming coffee shop catches your eye. The importance of a visually appealing exterior cannot be overstated. A welcoming sign, vibrant colors, enticing window displays, all these beckon the passerby. An inviting exterior lures customers in, making them eager to discover what's inside. Next, we consider the power of aroma, a coffee lover's weakness. The scent of coffee is as alluring as its taste, often acting as the first line of attraction. Imagine this, the tantalizing scent of freshly ground coffee beans permeating the air, promising a cup of pure delight. To achieve this, consider installing an in-house coffee roaster or strategically placing grinders around your cafe. The delicious aroma wafting into the street will draw customers into your cafe. Once inside, the ambiance of your cafe takes center stage. Now let's talk about how to craft an environment that's uniquely yours. Start with a theme, something that captures your cafe's personality. A rustic charm, a modern edge, or a vintage vibe, perhaps. Complement this with comfortable seating that invites conversation and relaxation. And don't forget the power of soft background music, it can truly transform the mood. Creating a unique atmosphere makes your cafe a place where people want to spend their time. Now let's consider the power of interaction. In the world of coffee, knowledge is pleasure. Why not share this joy with your patrons? Create interactive spaces like a coffee tasting corner or a barista's corner. Here, customers can learn about different brewing methods, the origins of their favorite beans, and maybe even try their hand at latte art. It's not just about the coffee, it's about the experience. Interactive spaces provide an additional element of entertainment and education for your customers. In the digital age, your cafe's online presence is crucial. Social media platforms from Instagram to Twitter are powerful tools for showcasing your unique coffee creations. Share behind-the-scenes snapshots of your baristas at work, or highlight your customers enjoying their favorite brews. Engage with your community by responding to comments, sharing user-generated content, and even running promotions or contests. Remember, social media is a conversation, not a monologue. A strong online presence can help to attract a whole new audience to your cafe. What's a cafe without its unique drinks? The heart of any cafe lies in its signature beverages. The art of crafting a menu lies in balancing the classic favorites with your own unique concoctions. These drinks, tailored to your cafe's personality, can become an attraction in their own right. Perhaps it's a twist on the traditional latte, or a completely new creation. Unique and creatively named beverages can add character to your cafe and keep customers coming back for more. Let's not forget about your regulars. They're the backbone of your business, the heart of your cafe's community. To keep them coming back, consider implementing a loyalty program. It's a simple yet effective way to show your appreciation. Maybe it's a free cup of coffee after 10 purchases, or an exclusive discount on their favorite brew. Whatever the reward, it's the gesture that matters. Rewarding your loyal customers can make them feel appreciated and encourage them to keep coming back. Community engagement can make a world of difference. Sponsoring local events, hosting open mic nights, or collaborating with nearby businesses can transform your cafe from a simple coffee shop into a hub of activity. These initiatives not only attract more customers but also show your commitment to the community. They allow you to connect with customers on a deeper level, fostering a sense of belonging and loyalty that goes beyond just coffee. Engaging with your local community can help to build connections and strengthen your cafe's presence. Never compromise on the quality of your coffee. It's paramount to source premium coffee beans from trusted suppliers. The richness of your brew is directly linked to the quality of these beans. Furthermore, consistency is key. Every cup served should be a testament to your commitment to excellence. The taste, the aroma, the texture, all should be consistently delightful. Remember, a great cup of coffee is what your customers are here for, and it will keep them coming back. Finally, let's talk about the people who make it all happen. The secret to brewing success often lies in the hands of those serving the coffee. A friendly, knowledgeable staff not only brings comfort to the customers but also adds to the overall allure of your cafe. Prioritize excellent customer service, for it's the human touch that often makes a difference. Exceptional customer service can create a positive experience that customers will remember and share.